Bunga Bunga go away again?
Yes, sister. This Rastafari man had enough of this wicked Babylon system. See him? Take care of yourself, yeah?
But you promised me you won't go away again.
Things change, little sister. The conqueror dwellings of the evil sons of this evil system is nothing but a provocation to I and I spirit. So I, man, go to a place of peace, of the majesty of the Most High, Jah Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. When the little one grows up, you will understand the meanings of these things. See him?
Yes, Bunga.
Take care of yourself.
This came for you.
Karina!
Yes,
Karina!
Mama. Yes, Mama.
Come read this again.
Okay, Mama.
Wait.
Just give me a minute. Let me see. Dear Miss Cummings, I am writing to you on behalf of my client, Mr. Alson Ryan. The property you now occupy and have been occupying for the last 40 years belong to my client, Mr. Alson Ryan. You are hereby notified that you are to vacate the property by April 30th, 3 months from this date. Mama, Mr. Ryan ain't fed up trouble you.
Lord have mercy. But I am bold-faced and wicked. This man ain't really harass my soul. My husband owned this land. In any case, I supposed to get false preference for buy this property.
But Mr. Radix wasn't making up the deed.
Yes, darling. But me never get the money for finish pay him off. I go in over by Ryan for give peace of my mind.
Wait, Ma, what happened there? Feel alright, Ma?
No child. See that giddy. Donald! Why? Get the alcohol!
Ma, come go inside.
So did he go?
No, I got the chances for them. And then I
Meet you? Meaning what exactly? What? You can't be serious? We're gonna take on that kind of responsibility now, not me.
What? Jason, you can't be serious.
And I can't even know if it belongs to me.
Oh, Jesus.
Besides, you know my father would kill me if he found out someone with your background having a grandchild.
Someone with my background? What? Jason, you cannot do this to me.
You can't be calling my name in connection with that?
What are you calling me, Jason?
Nothing, but I just safeguarding myself. You know those remarks in like about your character?
You dog! You just like the others. Get away from me.
Girl, understand, my family won't accept you in their family because of your family background. So you just gotta do what you have to do without me. I'm out.
Looking the way you're looking. What happened? You're not your usual self.
Nothing really. Pressure from schoolwork, maybe.
You're doing a lot of strange things these last few weeks. Moping wrong like some zombie. What happened?
It's nothing, sis.
Sis? When was the last time really you called me by that name? Remember?
No.
It was when those Thomas girls were looking for beat you up and you wanted me to deal with them for you. You remember now?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
who is it this time? I heard some girls talking about you down the road and they happened to mention the name Jason. You want to tell me about the name Jason? Karina? You haven't been messing around with boy and gotten yourself into trouble, have you?
No.
Tell me the truth, girl. There are 2 full packs of sanitary pads on your shelf and a third one with a few in it. Talk to me about that. Oh gosh, how far along are you?
I don't know. 2 months, 3 months, I don't know.
Can you messed up? What he saying about this?
He said such nasty things to me when I told him.
What did you expect for Jason Christopher to tell you? Did you expect him to sweep you off your feet and carry you to his house and introduce you to his family?
Stop! I don't know, alright?
Well, do you know now? Do you know or have any idea? Or did you even think what you would have done to mommy?
Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
Sorry? Mommy, I'm sorry. Sorry for disappointing you and stressing you and making this family the laughing stock of the village. Nelly, I'm sorry. Sorry for not being a good example for you to follow. This family puts everything into you and Donald to be the ray of hope to elevate us out of this state we're in. And all you could say is sorry. Sorry. Like seriously, sorry? Girl, you?
Voila! I then decided to leave the pleasures of Babylon and seek the peace and contentment of nature itself. Careful! There's a lot of creepy crawly things in the bush that could harm you.
And I believe you're the worst, most dangerous of the whole lot.
Sure! So that is what the I come up here to do. Insult the I and I.
Mommy's sick.
Mommy sick long time.
Well, she taking. She taking and she dropped out.
Ah! Babylon chemicalized medicine can't cure mommy. She need herbal treatment. If that is what the I come up here for, I will assist. Anything else? I'm not up for that, man.
Your mother's in the hospital, boy.
Who you are just not, boy?
Your mother's in the hospital because of the stress, the whole walk, the frustration that she went through every day. Your mother's in the hospital because she's frustrated that you wouldn't get off your lazy backside and help to cultivate some of the land so we could make ends meet a little better. I alone can't do it. I have school.
Well, then continue school and become another fool.
You can't get it. Your mother's sick. Your teenage sister pregnant. Boy, you can't get it.
Go out of the hills, youth man. Up here is not for you.
And if I don't go?
You know me, so you will have to go and leave the I and I in peace.
Fine. I will go, but I doubt you'll be in any peace.
Yes, I will be. I will enjoy the splendor and peace of these hills while you rot and perish in the bellies of Babylon. Put down my rod, you man.
This is a piece of wood, a piece of stick, and I hope that your God will use it as a rod of correction that will chastise your body and soul for all your falsehoods and pretensive behavior.
Man, Jason, hurry up now, man.
Which one of you is Jason?
Yo, it depends on who you ask, you know.
Everybody know Bongo not answer a fry. I want to speak to you privately, boy.
Yeah.
Good talking to your friends and some friends, son.
You ready to see Karina yet?
Karina. Who Karina? Yo, you know who I am?
Let me tell you something. I know who you be, but you don't know who I be. Well, Karina is my sister, and you're going to pay her a visit. Oh, shut up! I do any talking. You want to pay my sister a visit. She'll be expecting this afternoon or all in the morning. And when you come in, bring your father. Bring your father. Or I come looking for her. No, boys? Good.
Too long them a feel like garbage in a gutter. Too long them sit down in the office on a hotter. Still a yam jailbird and can't buy butter. Too long now we not see no day.